Most of the cars make squeaky sound when start. That's what we call high-pitched sound. The most common problem is the belt. The belt could be old belt, or it could be the pulley misalignment. The tensioner on a belt is usually automatic tensioner. It's just a spring-loaded pulley. And this pulley puts just the right amount of pressure on the belt. Let's hear it again. Okay, there is a simple solution which I do is, I use grease. So, if your belt is worn out, the pulley might not be able to give you enough pressure on the belt. So, it slips and that causes a squeak. There are two sides of the belt. The shiny side and the ribbed side. You just rub it on the ribbed side. Now let's start the engine again. There is no more squeak, no more squeal. It really works.